In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your recurring revenue with HubSpot. Managing and accurately tracking your recurring revenue is essential for understanding the financial health of your business. HubSpot offers some great tools to help you with this task. So let's dive right in and explore how you can set it up and get the most out of it. To start, you'll want to open up HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're securely logged in, you'll have access to all the tools that HubSpot has to offer for managing your business more effectively. Familiarity is key when working with new tools, and that's where the trial guide comes into play. So, next, navigate your way over to the trial guide. This resource is packed with all the information you'll need to kick off your form building process and maximize the utility of HubSpot's features. Now, let's head back to your homepage. From there, the next action is to click on Settings. This area is where you'll configure and customize aspects of HubSpot to align with your business needs. On the left side of the settings panel, you'll notice a section labeled Objects. Click on Deals located under this section. This is where all your transactional data is housed, and it's crucial for tracking your sales progress and performance. As you explore the Deals area, you will want to focus on configuring the deal amount. One important aspect to adjust is found under the default deal amount settings. To better align your tracking with monthly income patterns, click the arrow down right beside the default deal amount. Here, you'll be able to select monthly recurring revenue from the options provided. Choosing this setting is pivotal because it allows you to accurately monitor your monthly recurring revenue, which is a crucial metric when assessing your company's financial consistency and growth potential. Having set this up, HubSpot will now automatically track and display your recurring revenue. This adjustment allows you to gain clearer insights into your regular income streams, ensuring that you're equipped with the data you need to make well-informed business decisions. It's important to periodically review and ensure that your entries align with your business activities. This habit not only provides clarity, but also helps maintain the accuracy of your financial records. By following these steps, you're setting the foundations for effectively tracking your recurring revenue within HubSpot. As you can see, HubSpot offers a user-friendly interface that makes it straightforward to adjust and monitor key metrics crucial for your business's success. With everything set, remember to revisit and explore additional HubSpot features that could further enhance your understanding and control over your business operations. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking.